Hey everyone, I'm Lisa with Made to Create with Lisa, and oh, what's that? I look a little different? Oh, it must be my straight hair. Oh, actually, you mean this little old thing? Yes, I won last week. I made a really cute floral card, and thank you for watching, and thank you for voting for me. And I won my first title, my first crown. Well, my first day that I can wear the crown. Thank you for being here tonight for our friendly competition. And this week is going to be a challenge. It's going to be a challenge for me. We are doing a scrapbook page, and I'm not a scrapbooker. I have never scrapbooked. And from what I understand, all of us are new scrapbookers. So come along for the fun. Let's see what we can do, and let's just experiment. So I will have in the description box the links for the other videos for Jody, Julie, and Lauren. Be sure to watch all of our videos and vote for your favorite. Be sure to also, just because Lauren's in Canada doesn't mean that you can't vote for her. You totally can. She's a very talented crafter as well. So again, thanks for being here, and let's go ahead and dive in and see what we have to go with tonight. Okay, so the inspiration we're going with tonight is from page 28 of the annual catalog. We're actually using this layout here for our scrapbook inspiration, our scrapbook page inspiration. So it's cool that we have these different templates that we can use, and this is the one that we are going to focus on tonight. So what I'm using tonight is I used one of our brand new kits. And for someone who's a beginner like me, I think that a scrapbook kit is the perfect way to go. So this is the Make a Memory Kit. This literally just came out this month, and I thought I'd show you some of the things that it comes with. It comes with a big pile of all of these cards. It even came with some glue dots. And then it has like die cut things like this that you can pop out. We're actually going to use this one here. So let's just go ahead and get it out. All right. And then some of these, and these are actually stickers. So we're going to use some of these. And then I love these, all of these words. These are also stickers. So for me, I was like, okay, if all of this stuff is included, how hard can it be? Now my camera's going wonky there. Sorry about that. Anyway, okay, so what I'm doing is literally copying one of the pages from the inspiration. So you can open up the instructions, and I am going to use this layout here, and I'm going to change it up a little bit. Instead of using the hello, I'm going to use a different word, and then my layout here is going to be just a little bit, maybe a little bit different, but basically the same. So I pulled out these cards. This is a 12 by 12. I don't think you can see all of that from my camera here. But what I'm going to do is literally just do exactly what the directions say. I'm going to glue these together. I figure, okay, if this is supposed to be a beginner's project, then I'm the perfect person. I'm the perfect guinea pig, right? So I am going to take these, and they're supposed to be basically centered-ish on the layout. So I am just estimating here. Okay, and then, so again, we're going here. So I put those down here, and then we want some leaves and a sentiment. So I am going to stick this over here. I'm not going to glue this one down yet because I want to wait and see what our pictures are going to look like. Okay, so these are the picture mats that we are going to use. And so I pre-cut out some shapes. I just did rectangle shapes like these are here. And I picked out colors that coordinate with my DSP.
And the reason that I'm doing this is because, like I told you before, I'm a beginner. I don't really know what I'm doing. And so I am going to just start with a layout and then fill in my pictures. I need to print some. So this is what I was thinking that I would do. So I'm just going to go for it. So I'm going to hold these together as best as I can. We'll lay those on there like that. I am having so many issues with my camera tonight. I'm so sorry. Going to have to fix that. Sometimes things don't go like you want them to. Okay, and then we will, let's see. Actually, my thing says to lay it this way. So I'm obeying the rules. I'm actually a huge rule follower. So having a template to go by is actually perfect for someone like me. And, sorry, that was off the camera. So I put some dimensionals on here, and I am going to go ahead. Oh, shoot, I did them on the wrong side. See, I just told you I loved rules, and now I'm going all over the place. Okay, the rule follower in me is not liking this, but I had to pick a different piece because I messed that other one up. So I am going to go ahead, I'm actually going to put it a little bit further off here since I will have a picture there. Okay, and then the sticker I'm going to use is this one. I love it. These are the moments. I absolutely love that. So I'm going to do it kind of like off to the side like this. And I'm going to adhere it on there. And then since some of it's hanging off, I'm going to go ahead and put a dimensional on there. And I'm probably doing all the wrong things since I don't actually have pictures in here yet, but we all have to learn. Okay, and then the last thing that my directions are telling me to do is pull out some of these stickers. And these are the ones that the layout shows me to use, so I'm just going to go for it. And I love that these are like, they have adhesive on them. So I'm going to put one there. And this isn't exactly where it says to put it, but this is where I'm going to put it. Whoops, I'm going to put it over here because I think it looks kind of cool to divide up some of that coloring there. Now, this is what I came up with, right? So it's this inspiration. It has the 3 pictures with a couple things behind it, some greenery and a sentiment. And that is what I have here. So I actually did do my very first page ever. I want to show you that I went on my very first Stampin' Up! Incentive trip this year. I was so excited to earn it. And as one of the prizes, they gave us some fun designer series paper that was exclusive to the trip. So I decided I was going to do my best to scrapbook that experience, and I made my very first page. So I hope you are proud of me. So here it is using this same layout. So I have my big piece of DSP. I have my 3 pictures. I have the little sentiment over here to the side, which was part of the DSP. I have my journaling. And then I also cut out another little image from the DSP and added him on the side there. Now, I think it's okay to add gems because they're flat. I don't really know because I don't know the rules, but you know, I went ahead and added some gems. So this is my very first scrapbook page with pictures. So I hope you're proud of me.
So even though tonight's video was absolutely a disaster, my camera was not doing very well, I hope you are very proud of me. for my very first scrapbook page, and that I also used a kit to make a very simple layout. And I love that this layout can inspire an actual page done with pictures. So I hope you enjoyed this. You will come along with my journey with me because I do plan on scrapbooking this trip. So that is a commitment I made to myself. And so I hope I can stick to it. So be sure to watch everybody else's videos and vote for your favorite. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for allowing me to wear my jewels tonight. And I hope you have a great evening. Talk to you again soon.